If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, we are making this easy, simple, but very delicious recipe. Trust me, you will love it. After watching this video, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. They don't take money, it is totally free. I'll be very happy to read your comments in the comment section, so please leave me your comments. Thank you so much. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my Titus sardine. Okay, before we open it, we just have to clean it to ensure that we are not adding any dirt to our food. Okay, thank you so much. Now I have my marinade. That is my green marinade. It consists of pepper, ginger, garlic, some herbs. I have it in my cooking pot. I'll go ahead and add the sardine so that we can continue. I've told you earlier that this was very simple and quick to do, and you are going to love it. So this is what we are going to do. Just watch the screen for me and you will understand it. Okay, yeah, that is chili that is in the sardine. So it was basically sardine in chili oil. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. You will love it there as well. For short videos, we are on TikTok, Instagram, and please do well to check us on our YouTube shorts. Now I'm just going to add my vegetables. So I'll add some carrots, I will add onions, scallions or spring onion. Okay, we don't want to overcook the vegetables because of how we are going to make this, and actually I don't want overcooked vegetables. Okay, I want it crunchy, so this will be on fire for some few minutes, and then if you want to add any seasoning to it or any salt or anything, you can go ahead and add that to it. Okay, but remember that the sardine alone tastes so good and you are good to go. Now I have with me here my pan. I'm just going to pour some oil in the pan so that we can continue with our procedure. Please, have you liked the video? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Can you smash on the red subscribe button for more videos, and do not forget to click on the bell icon that says all. If you're watching me from any other place, please follow for more videos. They don't take money. So I have my plantains here. Okay, I'm just going to remove the skin or peel the skin, then we can continue. So the plantain is not very ripe, and it is, yeah, it's not very ripe. Okay, yeah, as you can see on the screen. So I'm just going to peel off the skin and then we can continue. Thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. I am very, very grateful. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on my videos all the time, and also today. I am very grateful. Please, after watching this video, do not forget to share to others so that we can reach wide audience. Now we are done peeling. This is how it looks. We are going to repeat the same with the other plantains. Now I'll fry it whole like this without cutting it. Okay, so we are frying everything, and we are going to use 3 plantains in all. When the other side is ready, you flip it to the other side. So the main motive here is that we are not going to fry this to become very soft, or we are not over frying it. That is what I mean. We are not over frying this. We are just going to fry it for some few minutes, and then I will remove this from the oil. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. I am grateful once again for your time. Okay, so that wasn't working. I decided to use this, and then it was perfect. Now let it rest on the paper towel or put it in your colander, but if it is on the paper towel, I think that would be the best. Okay, so that we can take some of the oil out, and then we can continue. So I will just divide it just like how you're seeing on the screen. You can use your nails to open it like that. Okay, you can as well use your fork to open it, and then you are good to go. You see, it is very easy, and you can see that the plantain is not well cooked. Okay, yes, as I told you earlier, our motive is not to fry it very well, but at least fry it for some few minutes, and then we can continue. So I have opened that. Just look at that. Perfect. I know very well that someone is going to ask me, so if I don't have fork, I can't open the plantain. I'm just going to repeat it again with my hand. Okay, so this time around, I'm just going to use my hand to open it, and we are good to go. When you are using your hand to open it, ensure that the plantain is not very hot, and else you are just going to hurt yourself. Okay, now we are done opening everything. We are just going to pour our filling in, and then we are good to go. Trust me, the filling was so delicious. The filling was very, very delicious. So I'll just pour everything here, and then I'll continue with the process. Okay, I'll continue the same process with the other ones, and then we are good to go. At this moment, if your plantains were very well fried, okay, you can just enjoy this and you are good to go. It will taste so good. Okay, but here is the case. We are not going to do it that way, but we are going to do it differently, and trust me, you will love it. Okay, you will love it. So when you are done filling everything like this, you can actually put this in your oven and you are good to go. But still, we are going to add something to it. So I'll be adding some cheese to this and then bake it. When baking it, make sure the fire is very low. We don't want it shouldn't be at 350. Okay, 185 is okay. Just let it be in the oven and then be doing your things. And trust me, this was so delicious. Okay, so we are going to bake this at 180, and the time was, we spent about 15 minutes and this was ready. So after 15 minutes at 380, this is how it looks. So delicious. And you know what happened? The next day, my daughter told me that she wants again, and this was the next day we prepared another one. It was so delicious. Try this recipe and let me know the result in the comment section. Take good care of yourself, love yourself first, and see you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.